Hello, people. This is Sichamba Jacob. I would like to say thank you so much to everybody that has been commenting, sharing, and liking my videos. I appreciate you so much. Okay, so in this video, I would like to show you on how to find the value of v, the velocity or the speed right here, the value of v, and the value of t right here. Okay, as well as finding speed when it's falling in between 30 and t right here. So keep on watching this video up to the end. Okay, so the first question here says find the speed v, this speed v, the particle reached if the acceleration was 2 meters per second square. So it's very important to keep data. So the acceleration is 2 meters per second squared. So in the first 10 seconds. So 10 seconds is right here. And we want to find the value of v. Since we've been given acceleration, we use the formula for finding acceleration right here. If you want, you can use the gradient formula or this one. It's okay. We have our acceleration. We'll put it right here where A is. And v stands for final velocity. We know that this is where the initial velocity is, and the final velocity is right here. So what is our final velocity? And mind you, when picking velocity, we look at the y-axis. So this, when it reaches here, right here, what is the v this side? We don't know. We only have a v. And what is our initial velocity? Where it started here, it's 0 over what is the time. The time right here is 10 seconds. So when you have those, it's very easy to find the value of v. V minus 0 is just v. Here, to solve for v, we just need to make this 2 become a fraction. There's a 1 down here. There's a 1. You cross multiply. So 1 times v, we have a v which is equal to 2 times 10 is 20. So this will be 20 meters per second. This is our speed. Okay. So when you have been given the acceleration, use the formula for finding acceleration to find the speed. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The next question here, they want us to find the value of t given the distance from here up to here is 750 meters. So they have given us this distance. What are we going to do in order for us to find the value of t? We'll take advantage of the shape that is here. We have a trapezium. So we use formula for finding area of the trapezium. So we say distance is equal to 1 over 2 a plus b h. Okay? So the distance we've already been given, which is 750, is equal to 1 over 2. Our A will be the distance from here, or the distance from here to where T is. So we can just say it's T. What is here? That's what we get. Plus, our B will be the difference from here to here. So let me just talk about A and B. For A and B, we pick these two parallel lines. There is this and this. So our A will be from 0 to where the distance is ending, or where they want you to find. In this case, it's the entire distance covered up to t seconds. So our B will be t. Our A will be t. If our A is t, our B will be just the difference. What is the difference from this to here? This distance from here to here. So since we don't have numbers on top here, we get the numbers below. So get the one which is to our right side minus the one which is to our left side. And in this case, we have a 20. Our h will be the distance or the length from 0 going up right here. We know the height from here going up. What is the height? We check the y-axis here, the value of v, of which we found it to be 20. So Here we have 750 is equal to 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 20, it's 10. This is multiplication, so you can cancel. You have t plus 20 and a 10 right here. So to solve for t, we can distribute. You have 750 is equal to 10t plus 200, sorry, plus 200. You multiply, you get rid of the brackets. So the next thing will be to group the like terms. We will have a 200 this side is equals to 10t. So let me take it this way. When we say 750 minus 200, we'll get a 550, which is equal to 10t. We divide by 10, divide by 10. We cancel. We find that this 0 and 0 will cancel. Our answer will just be t is equal to 55 seconds. So this is how you answer this one. Let's check the last question. The last question is where we need to be very, very careful. Very careful. Okay? We know here we have 20 meters per second. Here we have 55 seconds on t. We just found 55. Now, the last question, they want us to find the speed. What is the speed at 40 seconds? So we know that 30 seconds is right here. 40 seconds must be between 55 and 30. We just say it's here. We assume it's here. This is where 40 seconds is. So in under this topic, when you've been asked to find the speed, okay, which is in between, we don't use the formula for finding speed. The one for speed is equal to distance over time. No. In this case, we just do this. This is where 40 is. And the speed that we need to find must be somewhere here. We know that the speed at v is 20 meters per second. Here, we'll put x. We don't know the speed right here. So what are we going to do? We will get the triangle, okay, which is right here. This is where 30 is. And this is where 55 is. This is where 40 is. Okay, I'm just picking 30, 40, 55. Now going up, this part is straight with what? With x. So we'll say x. It's what we are looking for. And this part is straight with what? 20. Okay, right here. Hopefully you're following what I've done there. So once you just identify what I've just identified, your duty now will be to find the length or the difference between 30 and 55. It's 25. So you just say 55 minus 30 is 25. You come to this one. The difference between 40 and 55, it's 15. Okay? Hopefully you're able to see that. It's 15. So the idea here is we have got a bigger triangle. This is a bigger triangle and a smaller triangle. So we use the idea of similarity. Okay? That's what we need to use here. So we say this bigger speed will move with the bigger base, which is 25. Sorry, 25, which is equal to smaller speed, there is x, will move with the smaller base for the smaller triangle from 40 to 55, which is just 15. Okay? So now we solve for x. We cross multiply. 20 times 15 is 300, which is equal to 25 times x is 25x. Divide by 25 by 25. Here we cancel, remain with x. It's equal to 25 into 30 is what? It's 12. So it's 12 meters per second. So this is the speed. Here it was what? 12 meters per second. That's all. This is how you answer this exam question. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook page, Jacob C. Chamba Online Math. Bye-bye.